everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So आज का वीडियो है एक फेसेस कनाडा का नेल पॉलिश गिफ्ट किट का रिव्यू. It's not a review actually, it's a recommendation actually. So this is the फेसेस कनाडा का नेल पॉलिश का गिफ्ट किट. When you और जब हम ओपन करेंगे, you get 4 different colors of nail polishes, which is perfect for this festive season. You will get 4 beautiful shades. With the try on of this later in the video. I will give you the timestamp right here now. So if you want to jump into that, please just go to that point of video and just look it out. There it is for rupees 436, but now I just want to give you the review. I just want to share with you guys because it's a festive season and you are getting 4 nail polishes it's a branded nail polishes. So I thought, why not share with you guys and give you suggestion to buy them. So they are really beautiful, and so yeah guys, and perfect for this festive season. अभी ये ऑफर में नहीं है, पर दिवाली तक ये ऑफर में ज़रूर होंगे. लिमिटेड स्टॉक में नहीं अवेलेबल होंगे, फिर भी डिस्काउंट्स अवेलेबल होंगे. दिवाली का सेल चलता रहेगा इन Nykaa.com. You can grab in Nykaa.com. So I will give you the link in the description box. If you want, just please go and check that out. क्यों नहीं यार, फेस्टिव सीजन है. यू आर गेटिंग 4 different nail polishes for just ₹400 and branded है ये. So I thought I just want to share with you guys. For have these nail polishes you are sold for this festive season. So I thought I just want to share with you guys. So these are the 4 nail polishes. So yeah, so let's jump into the swatches now. That's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.